given question p of x. Okay, p of x equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and g of x equals to x square plus 1 minus x. Okay, now see. Here first I am writing g of x. G of x what given? X square plus 1 minus x. Any doubts? I have taken this is in order. X power 2, x power 1, x power 0. Okay, I taken this is in order. Then next one, p of x. P of x is x power 4
minus
plus 0 of x to the power of 3 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. In starting only I said, what I said? Write the exponents in descending order. Okay, in this 3 not having exponent, so I taken that exponent 3 as 0. Okay, 0 into x cube is equal to 0 only. Okay, 0 into x cube is equals to 0. So whatever the exponent, if any exponent will be missing, okay, compare that missing exponent with 0, means multiplying with 0. Okay, okay, x power 4, then x cube, then x square, then x power 1, then x to the power of 0. Understand? So write in order, in descending order. If any exponent is missing means take that exponent in variable x only take and multiply with 0. Understand? So that value is 0 only. Why I am writing? Now you will understand. So let's see now. Here having x power 2 and here having x power 4. Now divide. X power 4 is divided by x to the power of 2. How much will remain? Let's see that one. Okay, x power 4 divided by x to the power of 2. Bases are same. Okay, bases are same. Power should be subtracted because bases are in division now. Understand? That is in the form of a power m divided by a power n. Okay, a power m by a power n is equals to a power m minus n. So x to the power of 4 minus 2. X power 4 minus 2 is how much?
X power 2.
X power 2. So let's take that x power 2 here in the question. Now see, x power 2 into x power 2, x power 4. Then minus of plus, here having x power 1. Okay, and here having x power 2. So x power 2 into x power 1, x power 3. Now understand why I have taken x power 3. I got here x power 3 answer. Suppose if I will not taken this x power 3 means where should I write x power 3 then? According to the question, just I have 3x square. Then where I can give this x power 3? Okay, understand now? So only I taken x power 3 and multiplying with 0. Because I got the answer here x to the power of 3. So in x power 3 I taken this x power 3. Okay, the next step. Plus of plus plus 1 of x square, 1 x square means x square only. Okay, the next step what? Change the signs. Okay, next step is what? Change the signs. Here having what sign? Plus. So plus will be changes as
minus
and here having minus changes as
plus
and here plus sign changes as.
minus
Any doubts? The next step is what? Plus x power 4 minus x power 4. Cancel. Then next, this is 0 only, or leave it. So 0 plus x cube plus x cube. Then here minus 3x square minus 1x square. Both are in negative signs. Both are negative. Both are negative means what we have to do? Add. And but what sign we have to keep then?
Minus.
Minus. So minus 3 minus 1 is equals to minus 4x square common. Remaining as it is take plus 4x plus 5. Okay. The next one. Here having what? X power 3. and here having what? X power 2. Now divide. X power 3 divided by x power 2. Let's see. X power 3 divided by x power 2. Okay. A power m by a power n. Formula is what? A power m minus n. X power 3 minus 2 is how much? X power 1. Take that x power 1 now. Okay. X power 1 plus having that sign. X power 1. Now do multiply with this divisor. X power 2 into x power 1. X power 3. Okay. Plus into plus. Plus only. Then minus into plus. Minus. X power 1 into x power 1.
X power 2.
Here having coefficient is what then?
1.
Not having anything means coefficient is 1 only here. The next one. Plus of plus. Plus. Okay. 1 into x. 1 of x. 1x. 1 of x is 1x. The next one here having what sign? This is plus sign here. So next step. See now. Yeah, next. Okay. Plus will be changes as minus as
Plus.
and plus as.
Minus.
The next step. Plus x cube minus x cube.
Cancel.
Cancel. Plus x cube minus x cube.
Cancel.
Cancel. Minus x cube.
Cancel.
Cancel. The next one. Minus 4x square plus 1x square. X square common. Then minus 4 plus 1. One is subtract and one more is add. So subtract the numbers. So let's subtract. 1 minus 4 is how much?
3.
Sin minus 3x square. Any doubts? Larger number is 4. Sin is minus. The remaining x common. The next plus 4 minus 1 is how much?
3
Sin
plus 3
plus. Larger number is 4. Sin is plus. The next one remaining constant term is 5. Any doubts up to here? The next step. Now let's see. Here minus 3x square having. Minus 3x square is divided by x square. Now see this one. Minus 3x square divided by x square. X square ones are cancelled. So remaining what having in this? Minus 3. Take this minus 3 here. Okay. Then next. Minus 3. Now let's see. X square into 3. 3x square. Minus into plus.
Minus.
Then minus into minus.
Plus.
X into 3.
3x
3x. Then plus into minus.
Minus.
1 3s are
3.
up to here. Any doubts? Any doubts? Then next. Minus as.
Plus.
Plus as.
Minus.
Minus as.
Plus.
Then minus 3x square plus 3x square.
Cancel.
Then remain. Acha here also. Plus 3x minus 3x.
Cancel.
Then plus 5 plus 3
plus 8
plus 8. Over. Then now let's see. Quotient of x. What got? X square plus x minus 3 and remainder of x is equals to 8. Up to here any doubts? Any doubts? Just give the answers. Okay? Right?